Jai Hind aspirant, I am Ankit and I am here to help you out on your AFCAT preparation. As I have already appeared this exam multiple times and every time by God grace I able to score more than 200. So I think my idea, my strategy will help you out to score with good marks and eventually that will help you to got merit in. First of all, I must congratulate you that you are preparing for one of the best jobs in India and you would be going to join one of the best forces in the world. So before going through this video, what I would tell you or I would request you to please give mocks. Yeah, before following any strategy, before following any resource or before following any YouTube videos or something, please give at least 2 mock of previous year. आप जब previous year mock दोगे तो you will get to know yourself better that where you are standing, where you are lacking, what are your weaknesses, what are your strong points, and then you will able to work upon yourself in a better way because this video is going to help every aspirant, but since every aspirant has a different caliber, has a different strong and weak points, so he has to be also prepared in a different way. So मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आप पहले मॉक दो एंड असेस योरसेल्फ like that if you are lacking in maths and specifically in maths in what topics like that in profit and loss or in boat and stream, time, speed and distance, then you have to work upon that. If you are getting less than 10 marks in gs, you have to work upon in gs. So you have to be specific on your preparation rather than following universal ideas what going through the internet. So if we will start, I hope you all know the exact syllabus of AFCAT or exact pattern of the AFCAT. In short, I will tell you that there are 100 questions and each question carries 3 marks and you will get 120 minutes to solve 100 questions. And honestly speaking, बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम मिलता है AFCAT में. If you are prepared well enough, you will easily able to attempt all questions within 80 minutes. So आपके पास बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम होता है. So there is no crunch of time. You can easily attempt all the questions, and that's why what I would suggest you, whenever you are appearing for the exam, please attempt numerical ability questions at the last because your mind would be on stable mode. क्योंकि आपके माइंड में ये रहेगा कि मैंने सारा अटेम्प्ट कर लिया है, सारे क्वेश्चंस मैंने अटेम्प्ट कर लिए. नाउ आई हैव ओनली लेफ्ट विथ 18 क्वेश्चंस. या it has least number of questions. Numerical ability has only 18 questions and maximum number of questions come from military aptitude. It has 30 questions, more than 30 questions. If I will exactly say, numerical aptitude carries around 18 questions and reasoning or military aptitude carries around 32 questions. GS carries around 25 questions and English carries around 25 questions. So let's start by the English comprehension part. English is a language and you have to prepare it like a language. Specifically, if you will go through the previous year when you would be appearing your mocks, you will see that आप कुछ कुछ ऐसे जगह हैं जहाँ पे आप exactly score कर सकते हो, like that idioms and phrases, antonym and synonyms, close test, paragraph. So what I would suggest you to please give 5 to 10 year mocks of AFCAT plus CDS because CDS में भी एंटोनिम सिनोनिम आते हैं, क्लोज टेस्ट आते हैं, इडियम्स एंड फ्रेजेस आते हैं, तो दैट विल हेल्प यू आउट. और दे हैव लिमिटेड नंबर ऑफ इडियम्स एंड फ्रेजेस, वो बार बार रिपीट होते हैं. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, सिंस you are not going to only clear the written part, I hope you would be also aspiring to clear the SSB part. So you have to work upon your English. So I will suggest you to read a standard newspaper, the Hindu, Indian Express, whatever, or at least watch some debates on YouTube, like that of RSTV, Bharata First, or any other standard news channel, because you will be abreast with the uh, standard language or standard English vocab which is going on, and that what comes on AFCAT paper. So now coming next to the most important part, that is military aptitude or reasoning part, as it carries 32 questions, 96 marks. So you have to very careful while appearing this portion. And believe me, this is one of the easiest portion of whole AFCAT exam. इस 32 क्वेश्चंस में व्हाट आई विल से, जो मैक्सिमम मार्क्स आप कैरी कर सकते हो या मैक्सिमम मार्क्स आप जो स्कोर कर सकते हो वो यहीं पे होते हैं. एनालॉजी होता है, सिलोजिज्म होता है, देन यू हैव स्पेटियल 3D pictures that you have to complete on. Then you have classification part like that of rivers, cave, currencies, capital, different countries, and also a statement and conclusion part. So what I would suggest you, please do not follow any other resource than previous year for this part. आप बस प्रीवियस ईयर्स देखो और उसके अगर सॉल्यूशंस मिल जाएं, दैट वुड हेल्प यू आउट. Since when I started preparing for this exam in 2017, I took a simple book of Kiran SSC. That is, it was Kiran AFCAT previous year book. So it has more than 7 to 8 years of previous year solved papers. So it helped me out. और जब आप सॉल्व पेपर देखते हो तो आप जानते हो कि what would be the right idea to work on these things. सिंस रीजनिंग में बहुत सारे अलग अलग क्लासिफिकेशंस के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, सो आई कांट कवर ऑल दिस थिंग्स इन दिस शॉर्ट वीडियो. बट व्हाट आई विल टेल यू, आप 8 से 10 साल के प्रीवियस ईयर बनाओ और उस प्रीवियस ईयर में जस्ट गो थ्रू द पैटर्न ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, और क्वेश्चंस आर फिक्स्ड, पैटर्न्स आर फिक्स्ड, तो यू डोंट हैव टू वर्क अपॉन एनीथिंग एल्स देन द प्रीवियस ईयर. हाँ, आप अगर सिलोगिज्म के लिए जाना चाहते हो, सिंस सिलोगिज्म में अब जो मैं देख रहा हूँ इन पास्ट 1 to 2 years, the level of questions has been scaled up. सिलोगिज्म में इधर और निदर नॉर एंड कंडीशनल क्वेश्चंस आने लगे हैं, सो यू कैन फॉलो सम स्टैंडर्ड बैंकिंग एग्जाम बुकलेट to go through the syllogism questions and Venn diagram questions. Apart from that, you can easily clear on this section. Now if I will come on GK section, it carries around 25 questions और मैक्सिमम बच्चे यहीं पे पीछे रह जाते हैं बिकॉज दे नॉट एबल टू फिगर आउट कि हमें क्या पढ़ना है क्या नहीं पढ़ना है. एंड बिलीव मी, AFCAT हैज़ अ वेरी डिफाइंड सिलेबस ऑफ GS portion. If you will go through the GK and previous year, you will get to know that there are more than 3 to 4 questions that will come from sports. And even in sports, you will get one question from Olympic, one question from wrestling, boxing, and different category, one question from terminology of sports like that of basketball, volleyball, football, different terminologies will be there. And apart from that, questions will be from ancient India, question will be from medieval India, question will be from modern India, question will be from geography. Even in geography, physical geography will be the most important aspect. And if you will go through the uh, static portion, so static portion, longest river in the world, or like that of largest country by size or by boundary in the world. So these type of questions come frequently in AFCAT exam. If you go through the previous year paper, you will get to know that. So also the currencies, capital, what are Scandinavian countries, which European countries have Mediterranean Sea as its boundary, different oceans, different seas, Gulf of Mexico. So you have to know a little bit, not a very detailed knowledge about that, but if you will get to know that, that will help you out. अब है कि इसके लिए फॉलो क्या करें, तो व्हाट आई वुड सजेस्ट यू, कोई भी एक छोटी सी बुक आप ले लो, लाइक दैट आई हैव वन बुक एंड विच आई यूज टू फॉलो. देयर इज जनरल नॉलेज बाय मनोहर पांडे, इट इज जस्ट बिहाइंड मी. सो वो मुश्किल से 100-120 पेज की बुक है, एंड इन अ नट सेल इट हेल्प मी आउट वाइल प्रिपेयरिंग. एंड जब आप प्रिपेयर करते हो तो एग्जाम से जस्ट एक सप्ताह पहले व्हाट आई वुड सजेस्ट टू गो in the YouTube there are plenty of videos available in which rank and indices, awards and honors, literary awards that definitely come in that, like that Filmfare Award, National Awards, Pulitzer Award, Pritzker Awards, Raymond Magsaysay Award, Nobel Prize Award. So these questions come frequently in exam. So you have to always ready for that. आप जाओ और वहां पे आपको लगे कि हाँ ये क्वेश्चन तो मैं पढ़ के आया था तो इसे आना नहीं था. So you should be ready on that part. Vijay Hazare Trophy, Devgat Trophy, French Open title, Wimbledon title. So you should be just be well enough with all these facts while you are appearing for the exam.